In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an end-of-year adjustment journal, Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to fill in, so your year-end balances are tidy and your reports are accurate. First, open your Xero organization and head to the accounting menu in the main navigation. This is where you'll find the tools for journals. Make sure you're working in the correct organization and that you have the permissions to create journals, especially around year-end when lock dates may apply. From the accounting menu, choose Manual Journals. This section lists existing journals and is the place to create new adjustments. Select New Journal to start a fresh entry. You'll see a blank journal screen with fields for the overall details at the top and line items below. Begin by typing a clear narration. Think of this as the headline for your adjustment. Include that it's an end-of-year entry and summarize the purpose. For example, year-end accrual for utilities or depreciation adjustment. Good narration helps anyone reviewing your file later understand why the entry exists. Next, set the journal date. For year-end adjustments, this should be the last day of your financial year, so the movement lands in the correct period. Double-check the date aligns with your reporting period before moving on. Now add more detail using the description field on your journal lines. This is a per-line explanation, such as the month or account breakdown, to make the movement crystal clear. Precise descriptions save time during reviews and audits. Choose the correct account for each line. Use your chart of accounts to select the expense, revenue, asset, liability, or equity account that the adjustment affects. If you're unsure, consult your year-end work papers or your accountant's notes to match the right codes. Enter the debit and credit amounts for your lines. Journals must balance, so your total debits must equal your total credits before you can proceed. As a quick check, remember, debits commonly increase assets and expenses, while credits commonly increase liabilities, equity, and income. If the totals don't match, Xero will not let you continue. So adjust the amounts or add another line until the journal balances to zero. When everything looks correct, narration, date, descriptions, accounts, and balance amounts, click Post. Xero will record the journal and update your general ledger, ensuring your year-end reports reflect the adjustment accurately. That's it. You've posted an end-of-year adjustment journal in Xero with confidence and clarity.